Hey guys, welcome to this video. I talk about the data manipulation. Now let's see the meaning of data manipulation. Data manipulation, this is the process of changing data in an effort to make it easier to read or to be more organized. So here we are going to see that how you can change your data from just copying and pasting it to your MS Excel uh, to organize it well so that it can be easily read and be easily organized. Now, simply have to know that computers may use the data manipulation to display information to users in a more meaningful way based on the code in a software program, a web page, or data formatting defined by a user. Now, when you see about the data manipulation in spreadsheet program, the following are just few of the examples of data manipulation in spreadsheet program. They include as follows. The first one is that creating new data by transforming the existing data that was once inserted in the program. The second one is the cell reference that is known as also you can use as relative or absolute. The third one is selecting or highlighting the data. Here it means you highlight the data or you select it. Then the other one is sorting data. It means you are trying to arrange or rearrange the data. And the other one is the deleting rows and columns of the data. So these are just few of the examples of data manipulation in spreadsheet program, specifically MS Excel. Now let's see the mathematical operators. So here we're going to see various operators that you can use in MS Excel. Now, operators specify the type of calculation that you want it to perform on the elements of a formula. For example, maybe addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, etc., etc. Now, there is a default order in which calculations occur, but you can change this order by using the parentheses. Uh, let's see the different types of operators in Excel. Now here is the table that shows the various operators in Excel. Just a few of them as an examples. Uh, as examples, the first one is the arithmetic. Uh, the characters that can be used plus sign, minus, uh, asterisk sign, maybe a slash as for division, percentage, and explanation. So these you can perform various operations as according to the signs, maybe addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, uh, percentage that is dividing by 100, then also exponentiation. So you can set all these in your MS Excel. For example, maybe when you're trying to put maybe addition, you have to start with the equal sign. Then, for example, maybe A2 plus B3. Subtraction maybe A3 minus A2 or minus C4. These are just examples. The other one maybe multiplication, maybe uh, A2 and this B3. You can simply multiply them. The other one maybe division, maybe B3 divided by A2. Percentage maybe B3 percentage, you simply get the answer. And the explanation maybe A2 SD to 3. Now, these are just few of the examples. Moving on to the other types of operators are comparisons or logical. So these are such as maybe equal, as equal to, as you can use the equal sign, greater than, less than, equal, greater, less than, or equal, and not equal to. For example, maybe for equal sign will be equal to maybe A2 equals to A3. For the greater than maybe B3 greater than A2. For maybe less than maybe equal sign A2 less than B3. Greater or equal, for example, maybe B3 greater or equal to A2. So all these you get the results when you just enter these kind of formulas. The other operators are text can simply connect two entries to produce one continuous entry, as you can see in the example. And the references, you can use maybe colon, comma, and space for various operations. For example, colon, that is range operator that includes, for example, maybe summation. We're trying to find the summation maybe of from C4 to D17. So putting the semicolon, it gives the range operator of how many cells it includes between. Comma, union operator that combines multiple references into one reference. For example, maybe summation A2, comma C4, then colon, then D17, comma B13. So the comma is used to as an union operator that combines multiple references into one reference. The other one is space, where it gives an intersection operator, or it gives an intersection move that it produces one reference to cells in common with the two references. As you can see in the example, equal sign maybe summation bracket C3 colon C6, then you leave a space, C3, then colon E6. Now the space there shows the intersection which can be produced by these references between these two of them. So that's all for this video. Here, we'll see how we can perform these operators. We'll have various activities. So we'll get to know clearly all of them and understand them very well. Thank you.